Guys, this lady just got an unforgettable gift from her dad, a 1970 Corvette C3 that had been sitting untouched for 14 years, hidden under layers of dust, dirt, and rust. Her dad parked it for good after losing his life partner in an accident, and the car became a time capsule. But with snow, brushes, and pure determination, the revival began. The dirt came off and the discs looked almost factory fresh. Then came the wash. Years of grime slid away to reveal a glowing jungle green body. After some serious scrubbing and the right chemicals, the Corvette started to shine like new again. Step by step, a legend is reborn, carrying both history and emotion. So tell me, if this beauty landed in your hands, would you take it for a drive or keep it as a timeless treasure?